Here, so I'm gonna be showing you how to upload 4K resolution or high quality video on Facebook from your PC. So first of all, you have to ensure that the video you are trying to upload is a 4K or high quality video. Let's open this video property. I'm going to details, and as you can see, this is a 4K resolution video. Now go to your browser, open Facebook and click on your profile photo, open settings and privacy, and go to your Facebook settings. And then in this left hand menu, you have to click on media, and here you have to click on video default quality, and here you have to choose 4K resolution if available. If not available, then you have to select HD. If available, then click on save. After doing this, now you are ready to upload your 4K resolution video. Just click on this new post box and click on photo and video. And now just go ahead and upload the 4K resolution video. Once it's uploaded, you have to just click on post to publish the 4K quality video on your Facebook. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.